normal four-wheels driving car? No? So, the power of an engine always go into these wheels are easiest to turn in. Okay? So when one wheel have slip, no traction, it starts to slip in, and if it's due at a four-wheel driving car, two wheels, nothing else. You have no chance to get forward, and you can control the situation anymore. So now you need a special system what helps you. You got forward, so these both wheels I get braking, and the power goes to these two wheels, and now we look what's happened. You can drive easier on, and everything is alright. Okay? So now a new situation, we want to go 90% uphill, and so we need more power to the back wheel, to the front wheels, and a traction control. Okay, so 90% uphill, and here we go. This is 90%. You see, easily up climbing, the power goes to these wheels. It is necessary, and you have the maximum control over your car. That it is. So now 100% downhill. Let's have a look. Normally it's working. You're a little bit afraid?
I am.
Do you know anybody of these persons? No. No?
So you can.
Oh, so. Okay? Then here we go. And this is 100% downhill. Okay?
Okay.
So now we want to do something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Side move. So the very critical situation is that the most weight of the car is at the right wheel. Normally a normal car will slip with the back down the hill and falling on the side. Okay? If it's happened, you have the best place because you notice it at first.
Yeah.
Okay? But you don't have to be afraid, me
Okay.
happen nothing. Okay? Because I sit on the right side. That is the reason why we drive this way and not this way. Now everything will be okay, believe me. The most times. We don't want to park, so please shut up. Stupid. So at 90% uphill first. Okay. So now we go to a side move. So, and this is a situation. Normally the car slips away, falling off, but these nothing happens. Okay? So we can drive it on, everything will be okay. So that was a small demonstration what is possible with an off-road driving car. And the new Discovery 5. Come on, come on.